This is a summary of the essential content from the food studies topic, macronutrients, proteins. This is from ORCA Education's e-learning library. The short video will summarize key facts or key concepts from this course topic. Protein is essential for growth, repair, and energy production in our bodies. It makes up our muscles, hair, nails, and cells. Our bodies can produce some amino acids, but we must get the essential ones from our diet, especially children who cannot produce enough histidine. Animal proteins, like meat, fish, poultry, eggs, cheese, and milk, have all the essential amino acids. Plant proteins, like nuts, rice, pulses, and cereals, lack some essential amino acids. In the UK, sources of protein come from various foods, with meat being the largest contributor at 36%, followed by cereals at 23% and fish at 7%. Fish is a major source of protein, with oily fish being rich in omega-3 fatty acids, white fish low in fat, and shellfish almost fat-free. Meat, including beef, lamb, pork, and poultry like chicken and turkey, is a popular source of protein. Offal, such as liver and kidney, also provide protein. Eggs have a high biological value as they contain all the essential amino acids. They are versatile and can be prepared in various ways. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt are good sources of protein, while cream and butter contain little to no protein. Vegetable foods, except for soya, have a low biological value of protein. Pulses and nuts are the best sources of plant protein. Most people consume enough protein, but excessive intake can have negative health effects. 2 palm-sized portions of protein foods per day are sufficient for adults. Combining complementary proteins, like beans and toast or lentil soup and bread, improves the biological value of plant-based meals. Protein complementation is an efficient way for vegetarians to ensure they get all essential amino acids. For example, combining beans with grains provides a complete protein. Meat replacements, such as tofu, TVP, and corn, offer alternative sources of protein for those who prefer not to consume animal products. Corn, a mycoprotein derived from a mushroom-like plant, compares favorably to meat in terms of protein content and has lower fat content.